In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Smartsheet bigger. Whether you're working with large data sets or simply want to see your information more clearly, adjusting the view can make a world of difference to your overall productivity and comfort. In this tutorial, we'll explore a simple yet effective method to zoom in on your Smartsheet using a combination of mouse and keyboard shortcuts. So, grab your mouse and let's dive in to learn how to enhance your Smartsheet viewing experience. To start off, you need to identify your operating system and the browser you are using, as this minor detail will dictate which keys you will press to achieve the zoom effect. This method works well across different web browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari, so you can rest assured that it will apply regardless of your preferred tool. If you're on a Windows system, place one finger on the Control key. For those of you using a Mac, you'll want to use the CMD key instead. It's important to maintain a firm press on these keys because the magic happens when you combine this with the mouse wheel. Now, while keeping your key of choice firmly in place, activate your mouse wheel. If your mouse has a wheel, gently roll it towards you. If your mouse can scroll, most likely it tilts forward and backward like a wheel. You want to scroll it upwards, moving it away from you. This upward motion triggers the zoom-in feature by amplifying the content size on your screen progressively in increments that suit your viewing preference. This combination not only works for Smartsheet, but is also generally applicable in various web browsers for zooming in on content. The adjustment is dynamic, meaning you can stop increasing the size whenever you reach your desired zoom level. You'll notice each notch on the mouse wheel delivers a noticeable difference in the on-screen view, scaling content to a size that works for you. When comfortable, you can release the Control or CMD key to lock in your settings. This technique is especially helpful if you are working for extended periods, want to reduce eye strain, or need to present your work to others with clearer, larger text and elements. With this handy tip, you can effortlessly maximize your productivity on Smartsheet by interacting with what really matters, your data, without any unnecessary distractions or visual discomfort. Hopefully, this tutorial has been beneficial, simplifying the process of zooming into Smartsheet using just your keyboard and mouse. Try it out and improve your experience, making your tasks more manageable and visually engaging. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks just like this one.